Today we're going to remove the blower motor from this 2015 Toyota Sienna. Alright, the tools that you're going to be needing, it's going to be a 5/16 socket or a Phillips screwdriver. Just crawl underneath. There's 3 screws holding it down. 1, 2, and 3 with a pigtail. So go ahead and remove the pigtail. And I already have loosened this up already, so I just have them mocked up there. So let's go ahead and remove the 3 screws. You notice this will just drop. There it is. And that's how you remove the blower motor from a 2015 Toyota Sienna. Check it out. It's doing the hula. Woo! That's why you gotta replace it. Damn AutoZone, as always. Got me the wrong one. So I was gonna make a video of how to install it, but that video will just have to wait. It's completely different. If you notice, this one is only a 2-prong, and look at the size difference. Jesus Christ. This one's taller, this one's more narrow, more wider. This one has 3 prongs. And I told them too, I was like, I could have sworn that was Denso. But AutoZone for you, bro. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.